So what is up mga ka-tech shop, no? For today's video mga ka-tech shop, I have here a Vivo Y91 password reset mga ka-tech shop. Initial problem mga ka-tech shop is LCD, and then after we fix the LCD mga ka-tech shop, the customer realized that they forgot the password for this phone mga ka-tech shop. So when you're doing password reset, you'll have to perform factory reset mga ka-tech shop, which means it's gonna erase all the files and contents of your phone. So to perform password reset mga ka-tech shop, you'll need a tool called unlock tool, and you'll need a license for the unlock tool, and it's worth 3,000 pesos mga ka-tech shop. So let's go ahead and disassemble the phone. So let's remove the back cover, but don't separate the back cover yet because the fingerprint flex cable is still attached to the main board. So we'll have to remove the metal plate, and then that's the time we can remove the fingerprint flex cable. Then let's disconnect the battery mga ka-tech shop. So to perform this password reset, we'll need to touch the test point, and the test point is located beside the fingerprint port. So on the unlock tool, just click on Vivo and search for Vivo Y91 and click on factory reset button. After clicking, we'll need to touch the test point and attach the USB cable of the phone to the computer, and then unlock tool will read the information of the phone and start erasing the passwords. Alright, so if you're interested in this kind of video mga tech shop, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, after erasing the password, you may now set up the phone like it's a brand new phone. Let's go!